Every process begins in the field.
Ripeness defines the outcome.
Handling protects freshness. Transport bridges, farm and factory.
Freshness arrives on schedule. Cleaning begins immediately. Surface purity matters.
Only the best moves on.
And transformation starts here. Texture is engineered.
Flavor is concentrated.
Balance creates taste.
Desserts take shape.
Temperature locks quality. Precision is monitored. Safety is verified. Consistency is enforced. Presentation completes the product. Efficiency at scale.
Freshness is preserved.
Distribution begins. From factory to the world.
And this is how modern factories transform fresh watermelon into delicious desserts from start to finish.